So now I am going to discuss about least common multiple, in short LCM. See, LCM is very much important chapter because you will need it to solve other kind of mathematical problem like addition of fractions, addition or ratio, fractional ratio of fractional number. This LCM will be required. So how do you do that? So first of all, here we will find the LCM of 20, 36 and 12. First of all, you have to draw a line like this, then write 20, 36, 12. Now we will start from the lowest common factor of these numbers. So you can find 2 is the lowest common factor of these numbers. So 10 to the 20, 18 to the 36 and 6 to the 12. Again we can divide all these three numbers with 2. 5 to the 10 and 9 to the 18 and 3 to the 6. Another thing I forgot to tell you, that you must have to find at least 2 numbers should be divisible. There is 3 numbers, 5, 9 and 3. At least 2 should be divisible. Okay? So we can divide it with 3. Leave 5 as it is. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Complete. Now what will be the LCM of these numbers? You have to write LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So we can write 2 square plus 3 square into 5. This will be 4, this will be 9 and 5. So 4 9s are 36 into 5. So 6 5s are 30 and 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 18. So LCM of these numbers is 180. See, this 180 is divisible by all these numbers. You can write 20. If you multiply 20 with 9, you will get 180. Yeah. For 36, 180, you can divide it with 36. For 36, what number can bring this number? Multiplying with 36. 5. 0, 3, 80. So if we multiply 5 with 36, we will get these numbers. So as I told you, all these numbers can completely divide this 180, which is the LCM. Okay, this is LCM. You have to first draw the line, then you have to put all the numbers, let it be 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, and find the lowest factor, common factor for these numbers. Remember, you have to choose such numbers that can multiply, that can divide the numbers at least 2 numbers. Okay. So I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, write in the comment section. I will try to solve it. Okay.